Welcome to the bustling city of Bangalore, where history and modernity intertwine. Today, we uncover a remarkable piece of the city's heritage, the Halasuru Someshwara Temple.
This temple, built in the 11th century, is attributed to the Chola Empire. The temple's construction is often credited to Raja Chola I or his successor, Rajendra Chola I, who were renowned for their patronage of art and architecture. Admire the temple's grand gopuram, intricately carved with mythological figures and divine symbols. Each sculpture reflects the artistic sophistication of the Chola era, offering a glimpse into the ancient world. The Halasuru Someshwara Temple is a masterpiece of Chola architecture. Constructed during the 11th century, it embodies the artistic and religious fervor of its time. However, its history goes beyond just its construction. Within the temple, the main shrine houses a revered Shiva Lingam. The temple's interior features beautifully sculpted pillars and walls, each narrating stories from Hindu mythology, showcasing the Chola builders' craftsmanship. Adjacent to the temple is a serene water tank, symbolizing purity and adding to the temple's tranquil atmosphere. The story of the Halasuru Someshwara Temple is not just about its construction but also about its preservation. Over the centuries, the temple faced threats from various invasions and political changes. In the 18th century, during the turbulent period of invasions and shifting powers, the Mudaliar community played a crucial role in safeguarding the Halasuru Someshwara Temple. The Mudaliars took significant measures to protect the temple from potential desecration and damage. They organized local defense, repaired and restored the temple's structures, and ensured that it remained a center of worship and cultural pride. The Halasuru Someshwara Temple has survived the test of time and continues to be a vibrant place of worship. The community's efforts have preserved not just a building but a living piece of heritage. As evening falls, the temple's beauty is illuminated, reflecting its historical and spiritual significance. The dedication of both past and present generations ensures that the temple remains a beacon of cultural and religious heritage. The Halasuru Someshwara Temple stands as a testament to the rich history and enduring spirit of Bangalore. From its Chola origins to the Mudaliar community's heroic efforts in preservation, it is a symbol of timeless devotion and resilience. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through history. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that celebrate our shared heritage. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of our past.
Deccan Picks.